Welcome to our 2-acre world, growing food, raising fish, and thriving on just 2 acres. We're a senior couple showing it's never too late to homestead. Donna runs the garden, I keep things humming and test new growing tricks, some old, some cutting edge. Our horses, ducks, chickens, peacocks pitch in compost, pest control, and pure joy. They're family, not food. We boost yields with electroculture, tapping the Earth's energy into our soil. See how in our electroculture video. We've grown microgreens for years. This fast, fun, nutrient-packed method's a game changer. Our microgreens video shows you how. For clean food, we use aquaponics. Fish feed our greenhouse vegetables, no chemicals needed. We breed them too for an infinite harvest. Check out our aquaponics build video. We preserve it all, canning, freeze-drying, you name it, for zero waste and maximum nutrition. Our freeze-drying video shows this tasty long-term storage trick. We'll tackle weather woes too, snow, rain, wind, and how they shape our garden. No matter your age, you're never too young or too old to homestead. We hope you'll enjoy these videos for building a life that just makes sense. Join us to grow, build, preserve, and live free, 2 acres at a time. Here's our song.
2-acre world, simple and free. Working in the wind, like the old oak tree. Turning the soil, just a man and a wife. Our 2-acre world gives us a simple life.
We look forward to your comments and questions. Subscribe now. Tell us your homestead dream below. Thanks for joining our 2-acre world. God bless.
Monsoon rains, working joy in every day.